Folks think that it's simple to be a teacher. All you have to do is go up in front of the room, and that is really not the truth. The basic service in a classroom, that's wonderful, but I look at the larger picture for the future of education in and of itself. And the profession is in dire need. Hi, I'm Dr. Judy Jankowski, and I am the head of school at Chesapeake Bay Academy in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Chesapeake Bay Academy is a school for children with learning differences. Our kids have ADHD, dyslexia, dysgraphia, some children high functioning on the autism spectrum. So lots of varying needs and learning profiles. Once we get to 8 students in a classroom, we always make sure that there is an assistant in the classroom, which is why programs like your own are so tremendously important to our work. It begins with taking the lead of the classroom teacher. That person is going to be responsible for developing the lesson plans and so forth. But a really good, experienced para can then take those directions from the classroom teacher and carry out a lesson on their own. We change lives every day, and that's a pretty hefty responsibility, but also a very fulfilling one. You are shaping who we are going to be in our coming generations and in our world. So I don't feel like there's anything more powerful that you can do than that. In a para-educator's position has to absolutely be sensitive to these things. They also need to know that they have great partners. They have partners in their classroom teachers, they have partners in their administrators, so that when they're handling a delicate situation, that they have support as well. And the more skills that we provide these folks with, the more that we can do for the children that they're serving. If you want to find a life of meaning and a life of passion, the demand is huge in this moment. So for those who are really looking to find a career that will sustain them over time, this is a good one. It is a secure one. This is a really good place to start.